Hey guys, so I'm out here doing a septic inspection on a commercial property. The first thing I did was a desktop inspection, but I could see from the desktop inspection that over time, this system had had some issues. And so I wanted to come out, do an on-site inspection and see if I could identify why. Well, once I got here, that's an easy answer.
The drain field is actually installed in the drainage ditch for this entire property. It may be hard to tell, but the back of the property all drains to this one location. And in fact, the property next to it also drains into this area. This system should have never been installed in this area, and I am not surprised at all that they've continued to have problems with it. So after doing the desktop inspection and then following that up with the on-site inspection, I really didn't have good news for this property owner. There's no easy fix for their problem. They either need to regrade the entire property so that it does not drain to the drain field, or they can install a new drain field in another location or install an aerobic system. Now, I did tell them that as long as their usage is low and we don't have an extended wet period, their system will probably work. And last time I spoke to them, that's kind of the route they're going, is a wait and see approach. But if they get to a point occupancy in the office increases substantially, they may have problems with either sewage surfacing where their toilets won't flush. I think something that's really important to note here is that if an on-site inspection only was done on this property, it would probably pass. The building is currently unoccupied, so there's no evidence that sewage was ever surfacing. And if you did a stress test, which is pumping water into the drain field, it would probably pass, because since there has been no load on the system, then the soil will take the water. So the key takeaway here is, if you have a septic inspection, take it with a grain of salt. There are a lot of variables that can alter the results of that inspection. You really need to have an experienced installer take a look at it, and they need to look at it holistically from the beginning of the system to current day instead of just the current time period. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and be sure to like and follow for more septic information.